Guys, and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can download Reddit application on your Amazon tablet. So in the first step, open the web browser, then look for the Reddit APK file extension. Now choose one of the sources. I'm always using the APK Pure, but remember this is not official source. Okay, choose download APK, and we have the application. I prefer to use the application, but if you don't have, you can also try to download it by the web browser. Okay, I see the file is XAPK, so I recommend you to download the APK Pure application. That will be much easier to install. You can do it by this button. So now we can go to the APK Pure application and just open the search bar. Sorry, this tablet works a little bit slow. And look for the Reddit app. Click install, and we have to wait a second. Okay, we're done, so the installation process starts automatically in the application. We need just confirm it by the install. And how you can see, the app is installed and we can open it. That's it, this is how it works. Thanks for watching, leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.